Hello friends, you are watching Ashfaq Khan on Simple Stupid Things. So today we are going to discuss about the 5 best hacking books you must read. So let's move on with the first book. I will share all the PDFs and details about the books. Okay? So now this is the book Hacking, the Art of Exploitation. Okay, this book is involves the creative problem solving and used in hacking, whether that means finding an unconventional solution to a difficult problem or exploiting holes in sloppy programming. Many people call themselves hacker penetration testers, but uh, but few of them have a strong technical foundation needed to really push the envelope. Rather than merely showing how to run existing exploits, author John Erickson explains how arcane hacking techniques actually work to share the art and science of hacking in a way that is accessible to everyone. This book introduces the fundamentals of C programming from a hacker's perspective. Uh, if you buy this book, you will also get a live CD which provides a Linux programming and debugging or environment. But as I am sharing the PDF versions, so you will not be able to access that feature. So this book also includes and say shows you how to program computers using C, assembly language, and scripts, corrupt systems memory, and to run arbitrary code using buffer overflows and format strings. It will also help you to gain access to a remote service using a port mining or connect back shell code technique and alter a service login behavior to hide your presence and very much. So ultimately, this book is great for thinking and penetration testing if you have your own creativity. Okay, so let's move on this second book. Okay, this book is the book from which I started, and a good book. The book is Sings the Basics of Hacking and Penetration Testing. The basics of hacking and penetration testing serves an introduction to the steps required to complete a penetration test or perform an ethical hack from beginning to end. No prior hacking experience is needed. Okay, no prior hacking experience. I will repeat that. You learn how to properly utilize hacking tools and interrupt the results of modern day uh, hacking tools, which are required to complete a penetration test. Tools which are covered in the book includes Batrack, Google Recognizance, and Metacoofil, Big Nmap, Nessus, Metasploit, Strack, AutoPL1, Netcat, Hacker, Defender, Rootkit, and much more. A simple and clean explanation of these tools and how to effectively utilize them, as well as the introduction of a 4-step methodology of conducting a penetration test or hack. This will provide you with know-how required to jumpstart your career or gain a better understanding for offensive security. So this is book for them who want to start hacking, how to know about that with some tools and mainly for offensive security and nothing else. So let's move on with the third book, Black Hat Python. As the name suggests, you might got that Black Hat Python. That means that the reader should have a strong base or at least very beginner level knowledge for Python or basic programming skills. So when it comes to creating a powerful and effective hacking tools, Python is the language of choice for most security analysis. But just how the magic happens in Black Python, the latest form, the latest from Justin Seed, author of the book, you will explore the darker side of the Python and its capabilities for writing network snippers, manipulating packets, infecting virtual machine, and creating steal trojans, and much more. So this is for a Python guy. So let's move on to our fourth book and my favorite one. This was the second book I would prefer, and to speak truly, this is the best book which I saw in all of them. As I as a reader, not as penetration testing or more hacking objectives, but as a reader, it was a very good book because the format of this book is according to a game, how to play a game and how to code. Actually, the writer mixes them mixes them up. So this book will just as a professional athlete doesn't show up without a solid game plan. Ethical hackers, IT professionals, and security researchers should not be unprepared. So this book will bring you to the game of ethical hacking. Okay, to the game of ethical hacking, and and with the helpful advice from the top of the field, it will show you to make a game plan and to penetration test. So the most practical guide, as there's the name also, the Practical Guide to Penetration Testing, the most practical book which I read from these five. So there is also a second version available on the internet. I will share you the PDF of the first version, as this was great, which I love this. The second one has a bit more knowledge, a bit more, just bit, but the first one booms up you the basics. Okay, so let's move on. Switch on the last book. Last but not the least, Hacking for Dummies. Okay, this book is for complete beginners, and this book doesn't include much more hacking. It includes more offensive, more security breaches. If you are worried about external hackers or rogue insiders breaking into your systems, whether it's a social engineering, network infrastructure attacks, or application hacking in your systems, which can devastate your business or personal life. In order to counter these cyber bad guys, you must become a hacker yourself, an ethical hacker. And this book shows you just vulnerable your system, how vulnerable your systems are to attackers. It shows you how to find your weak spots and perform penetration and your test. With the information found in this and straightforward book, you will be able to develop a plan to keep your information safe and sound. You'll cover up to. Okay, so ultimately, if if you if you want more defense idea or prevent attacks, so this is this book is from every angle. So thank you for watching, and I wish that you must like the video. Uh, every PDF link for the books are given in the description, and I will share one more book PDF, one more download link for one more book in the description as a bonus point. Thank you.